Hello, my name is Fahad, and today I'll be taking you through a demo of Edulga. And I'll be talking a little bit about our vision, our roadmap, and also how Edulga works as a platform. So the heart of Edulga is really a CAS model, which we call knowledge as a service. And one of the first problems we would like to tackle with this is creating roadmaps for students. These roadmaps are created by the brain, which is really powered by AI and built by contributors and contribution from global content providers. This could be professionals, institutions, libraries, colleges, academia, courses, societies, and creative studies, and so much more. The brain really how it's created is it's able to extract unstructured data, which then goes through a process of ETL that we built, and this unstructured data becomes structured. Once the data is structured, we then build knowledge graphs. The knowledge graphs build relationships between concepts, entities, and then the knowledge graphs are then passed over where we have a cluster of knowledge graphs. And these knowledge graphs are essentially combined together based on their similarities utilizing clustering algorithms. This really makes the brain, and the brain is a semantic search engine where we can interact with and ask questions, and it can retrieve data for us in real time. In our scenario, it's creating roadmaps for us that are particularly keen towards helping us find most relevant topics, courses, and help us learn in the most optimized way utilizing an agentic graph rag model. Let's take a look. So on the back end, this is what we call the brain. And the brain is really built around concepts and entities of subjects, and it builds relationships between them, utilizing knowledge graphs. And utilizing clustering algorithms, we are able to relate concepts, subjects together and create entities. On the front end, what we can do is we can come into our application and we can give it some sort of input of what we would like to learn, and we can let it know that, hey, we want to understand biology. We want to have a multi-rag model where it not only retrieves text but also videos, and then it's able to essentially create a roadmap for us. Here in this roadmap, what we have done is we have extracted all of the relevant courses that we would like to learn, and essentially this creates a learning opportunity for users where they can come in and they can interact with this model, and it's able to help them understand topics in real time. So we call this a regenerative roadmap for learning, where learners can essentially pass in a query. The query is traversed through a knowledge graph, and the knowledge graph creates a roadmap utilizing graph algorithms that is able to traverse and find the most optimal courses in the shortest distance. We also have AI avatars that essentially serve as tutors, and they can keep our students engaged throughout this process. I'm Isaac. Here we have Isaac, who's a tutor, who's teaching us a bit about what the course is generated and how. And the roadmaps are just the seed for something bigger. Once we have the network effect where we are able to connect with multiple sources, we can essentially power the brain, and that can power our students. And this can essentially empower curriculums and education for students. Thank you so much.